Yo, what is going on, fam? We are back again today, and like the title says, I know it was mad clickbaity, but this will be the first Corvette in the world to be running these wheels. So I'm gonna be going over these wheels, explaining why I bought them, and just going over their general specs, all that good stuff. So box is here. As you guys can see, it says MOMO Heritage line. So that should already let you know these are some Momos. Yes, the same people that make the Fast and Furious steering wheels that were in all like the Need for Speed games and stuff like that. They have these awesome Heritage wheels that I'm going to be running. So, whoo, look at that bronze. Look at that bronze. They have this like protective lip on them right now, but I'll go ahead and take that off for the purpose of this video right now. So let's talk through this. So what are these? Okay, so the MOMO Heritage 6 is a cast flow form wheel. So what that means is, yes, these are a cast wheel, but they are flow form. So they're cast and then their barrels are heated and stretched out to the final measurement of the wheel. These particular wheels are 18 by 11s. Their offset is plus 55. The other three are at the shop. That's going to be mounting my tires tomorrow, moving the Cup 2, 295, 30, 18s all around. So yes, we will have the grip. But yeah, so like I was saying, 18 by 11 plus 55 offset. These wheels are custom drilled to the Corvette bolt pattern, which is 5 by 120, 65, I think it is, something like that. But these are them, and then their hubs are also hub centric to the Corvette. So I want to talk about these wheels in particular. So if you go on Momo's website, they make these custom. So whatever custom offsets you want, whatever size, whatever width, whatever size lip, and there's certain parameters left and right to what they can and can't do, but for the most part, these wheels are totally customizable, from offset to bolt pattern, to your hub center, and all the above. So I got these wheels from Mod Bargains. So I'm gonna have their website link in the description and also right here on the screen right now, modbargains.com. Kevin at Mod Bargains was essential to me being able to even get these wheels together, because there's Momo doesn't sell them directly, so you have to go through a dealer to get them because of their custom nature. I guess Momo just doesn't want to deal with figuring out all the measurements and stuff like that. So I had to go through Kevin at Mod Bargains, and he helped me to get the exact specs I needed. So let's go through this. So for my size, they cost $550 a wheel. Quick math, that's $2,200 for a set. This is comparable to the Forgestar F14, but a lot more unique because not everybody's running these. The Forgestar F14 is so played in my opinion, and that's why I did not want to roll with those for my car, because I wanted my car to be a bit more unique. Did I make some sacrifices? Yes, I'm gonna tell you why. So Forgestar F14s are $500 a wheel. These are $550 a wheel. Forgestar F14s in the 5 by 11 in the 18 by 11 configuration, around 23 pounds. These, I have already weighed them. They are 26 pounds without the tire mounted. All right, so I'm gonna let you know right now, 18 by 11, 26 pounds. This is not the lightest wheel on the market by far. I'm not gonna even act like it is. It's not. The stock C5 Z06 forged aluminum wheel, they are 20 pounds for the 18 by 10.5. So that just lets you know I'm increasing my car's unsprung weight just at the wheel by 6 pounds on each corner. So my car is a street track car, and the key word being street. So street cars have style, you know, and I want my car to display my personality. Even though the logical choice, the cheaper choice would probably be to stick with the 18 by 10.5 C5 Z06 OEM wheels, which I will keep those wheels. I wanted something more stylish and something that just stood out a bit more, something a bit more aggressive. So that's why I went with these. So let me go ahead and take these bad boys out. Let you guys have a look at the inner barrel. Says a few things, says the size, all that stuff. I want to read like, I really want to reiterate the fact that these are custom drilled. They can be drilled to any bolt pattern you need and come in a plethora of sizes. I love the customability of this wheel without it being a 3-piece wheel, 2-piece wheel, a forged wheel that costs $5,000-$6,000, you know, because those things exist on the market. But I'm not a baller, so I'm not about to spend that kind of money on a wheel. $2,200 for me is the most I ever spent on a wheel. Well, on a set of wheels. So I know some of you guys out here rocking TE37s. You guys got like regular messes and stuff. Like, y'all probably laughing at me right now. But this is the most money I personally spent on a set of wheels. So these are it. These are the wheels. Unfortunately, my car's at the body shop getting some fiberglass repaired from my accident that I had on the ring a couple months back. I just wanted to get that tidy up while I don't have too much going on. So we're gonna have to wait until the car gets back from the body shop in order to mount them. But I did do a test fit on my friend's yellow C5, and I'll have that photo right here for you guys to see. And yeah, everything fit. The fitment was on point. Kevin did an awesome job at making sure my fitment and everything like that was good. I did give him an offset. I went off the spec Corvette offset, which is between a 54, a plus 54, and a plus 55. So I knew an 18 by 11 plus 54 plus 55 would work. So that's what I went with. Man, is there anything else I can say about these wheels that I haven't said already? Probably not, but I love the way they look. I love this bronze finish. Oh, they come in a plethora of finishes also. Like this isn't the only finish by far. You can get these cars in you can get these wheels in like hot red and other colors like that. There's a plethora of finishes. All right, y'all, so we got all 4 wheels here, tires, all that stuff. We're about to get them mounted over here. So gonna go ahead. I got these Circuit Performance valve stem right here, so I just been installing those. I like these style because they're not the pressing valve stems. They're like the nut kind, so you actually have to take them apart and you can screw them tight. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish installing this one, and then we'll start actually mounting tires on the wheel. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. It's too bad my car's not here, but it's all good. So yeah. Got them all mounted. They are in my trusty and very dusty Honda Civic, daily driver slash workhorse. And man, what can I say? These things look awesome. I'm so stoked to see them on the car. Like, bronze goes against any color well. Like, even just looking at them against the Civic, like the bronze goes good against the silver. It's gonna look amazing against the black. I wasn't sure about the stickers at first, but I love these stickers. They are going to look so good rolling. Like, it's going to be ridiculous. And another good thing about the bronze is it won't show the brake dust as much. So bronze looks dusty. My wheel's always dusty. It's a match made in heaven. Got these in the Circuit, what is it? Was it Circuit Sport? Valve stems, they look good. Nice little offset, they're black. Pilot Sport Cup 2s look great. I had 2 used Pilot Sport Cup 2s that I got for free from my buddy. Shout out to Magnus. And yeah, they still got a lot of life up in them. I bought the other 2. Were brand new, but I got them for a good deal. So yeah, man, I'm excited to try some Cup 2s. Pretty expensive tires, so I had never considered it. But yeah, man, I'm stoked. I'm stoked. So next part that you guys will be seeing is me actually test fitting these up on the vet, you know, going through, seeing how they look, dialing in fitment, all that good stuff. So yeah, until then, y'all take it easy, but I will see you in a couple days, hopefully. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. All right, y'all. So without further ado, the car is back from the shop, so I'm not going to keep you guys waiting any longer. Oh my God, look how clean that looks. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Compliments the black so well. No other wheels like this for the C5, well, like for the Corvettes really. And the first Corvette in the world to be running these wheels. So I only installed one side because I wanted to show you guys the difference between the C5 Z06 wheels all around and whatever offset they are, I forget, and these. So these are 18 by 11 plus 55 offset. One thing I want to notice is if you look inside the hub, it's perfectly hub centric. They machined the hub to the OEM size, so no need for hub centric rings. Perfectly centric inside of the hub, no issue there. But yeah, if you look at the front right there, we got a little bit of poke in the front, but the rear has perfect fitment, like perfect fitment along the rear. So coming to the other side, the OEMs, you can see that there's definitely less poke up front, and in the rear, the wheel is actually sunken in the fender. Like from here, you can't even see the wheel, but yeah, get it from the back view there. So yeah, you can definitely see the differences in size and offset. But Jesus Christ, ooh, bro, I love the aggressiveness. I think I'm gonna end up installing the C5 Z06 spats along here in order to just cover that. I think it'll look more aggressive anyway, and plus the aerodynamic gain from that. So man, that looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and install the other side now. Then when I'm done with that, I'll give you guys a full view of the car after it's settled and all that good stuff, so you can really get a vibe for what this setup looks like. So one thing I want to touch on before I get too ahead of myself and forget is the caliper clearance. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to get my camera in there too well, but you can see I have a whole finger of caliper clearance between the spokes and the actual caliper. I also had fitted this on a stock C5 with the OEM calipers, and there was plenty of clearance there also. So just something to keep in mind. I know the caliper clearance is an issue with these cars, so just wanted to point that out there. But yeah, man, Jesus Christ, car looks so good. Car looks so good. Whew. Okay, back to it.